Meaning of icebreaker.
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 Icebreaker. An icebreaker is a tool or activity used to facilitate introductions and create a more comfortable and relaxed atmosphere among individuals who are meeting for the first time. The term is often used in the context of team building, networking events, and other group activities where participants may not know each other. An effective icebreaker should be simple, non-threatening, and relevant to the group's purpose. By breaking the initial tension and encouraging conversation, icebreakers can help build rapport and establish common ground among participants, leading to a more successful and enjoyable experience overall.